when we thought the mechanical keyboards became boring with no innovation over the years, Keychron introduced the new Keychron Q1 HE with Hall effect switches. Let's see if it is better than traditional mechanical keyboards. The build quality of the Q1 HE is exceptional. Made entirely of aluminum alloy, the premium construction makes it look like a very durable product. The 75% layout of the keyboard strikes a good balance between compactness and functionality, including essential keys like the function row and navigation keys. It also has RGB lighting, just like any other mechanical keyboards. Hall effect switches are a relatively new feature of mechanical keyboards. Unlike traditional mechanical switches that rely on physical contact to register key presses, Hall effect switches use magnets to manipulate an electromagnetic field. This allows the switch to detect key presses at different points along the key travel. The Gateron Nebula double rail magnetic switches are proprietary and exclusive to this keyboard. They offer a smooth typing experience, largely thanks to their magnet-based operation, which eliminates the need for physical contact between components. You can adjust the actuation point where the keyboard registers a key press. It is offering an actuation range of 0.2 to 3.8 mm with a sensitivity of 0.1 mm. The short trigger distance is hugely beneficial to gamers, but it could cause a lot of accidental key presses when you type, so you should create multiple profiles for different purposes. This fine level of control is accessible through Keychron's web-based customization app called Keychron Launcher. The Q1 also features a rapid trigger setting, which allows for multiple key presses in quick succession without the switch needing to return to its resting position. This is particularly beneficial for gaming, where rapid inputs are a huge advantage. One downside is that customization options are not available in wireless mode. You will have to use the included cable to connect the keyboard to your computer. The typing experience on the keyboard is exceptional. The switches provide a satisfying level of resistance, and the smoothness of the key presses is unbelievable. The consistent resistance across the entire keystroke makes typing feel natural, regardless of where the actuation point is set. The sound of typing on the Q1 HE is a deep and satisfying tone. The extra dampening provided by the gasket mount system and the soft bottom out of the switches make this one of the quietest keyboards available. The keyboard is almost perfect for gamers. However, there is a small issue with the keyboard entering a deep sleep mode after a period of inactivity. Waking it up can be a bit of a hassle, as it could take around 30 seconds of key presses. Or you can switch the mode from 2.4 GHz to cable and back again to wake it up instantly. While this is not a deal breaker, it is an inconvenience that such an expensive keyboard shouldn't have. The Keychron keyboard is an amazing product in the world of mechanical keyboards. It offers an incredible level of customization, a premium typing experience, and build quality that feels like it will last a lifetime. However, if you are not a gamer, you won't get the most out of it. And there are many cheaper mechanical keyboards out there that could deliver the same typing experience. If you find the video useful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.